Things Jamaicans say versus what they really mean, and you better catch this quick. Number one, if a Jamaican say a promise is a comfort to a fool, they're trying to tell you don't believe every promise someone gives to you because people can be very deceptive. Number two, if a Jamaican say fire their must tail in think a cool breeze, they're trying to tell you that some people are in imminent danger and they don't even know how deep of a trouble they are in. Number three, if a Jamaican say coward man keeps sound one, they're trying to tell you that sometimes playing the coward might be the wiser decision. Run away today, live to fight another day, because you might get in yourself in deeper trouble. Zane, aside that, you tell me. Comment below and let me know if you ever hear any of these before or if you ever use any of these before. Zane, big up yourself.